Okay, me again. This should be a quick little video. Time for an oil change on the Ariens Apex. 25 hours on it. I'm finding mower's alright. Once you get used to its little quirks, don't let the blades get dull at all, and it'll be fine. Then it mows pretty much whatever I can put under it. Cuts it great. Other than that, and the lever thing not going back to neutral when you let them go, about the only complaints I have. Next big video will be the seat kit. I got that in, the isolator kit, and I had to tear the whole seat off and everything I did for the ROPS to put that on. So if you're getting both, put the seat kit on first, then put the ROPS kit on. But anyway, this will be just the 25-hour oil change. Go from there. I guess pull the dipstick out, and then they got a little hose that's clipped down under the engine, or beside the engine here, back behind this guard on the, what would be the passenger side. Just got a little cap on it. I got my oil collector bin here. Probably going to put something on here to route it out with a ball valve. But seems like it's just like my John Deere. Throw a couple crescent wrenches on it, loosen that, drain the oil out. Probably kind of self-explanatory. Come on. And of course, me with tools. As with the last video. Ooh. Really need to start preparing for these a little better. No, not the wrist thread. Holy buckets, I can crank that on there. Well, that didn't work. I really do mean these videos to be kind of quick on some of this stuff. I really, really do. Well, son of a gun. Don't know why, but it won't come off. I guess I'll have to splice this one. I'll work on that and then get back to you when I get it loose. Figured it out. Really got a wrench on it. It is a 13/16 wrench. And then I use the crescent wrench on the small part. Make sure you get it tight because the small part's brass, the other part's steel, I think. Might be aluminum or stainless. It looks like they put a lot of thread sealant on it. Then just remove the cap and I guess let her drain. As far as this goes, it is 2 quarts of oil. So it's not much. Dang, I could probably restrict that down to 1/4 inch and still be alright. I removed the drain plug just so we don't create a vacuum. Drains out a little quicker supposedly, but sure doesn't seem like it. Now, while that drains, I'm going to check the hydraulic fluid on those. There's 2 little, grab this here. There's 2 little containers behind the seat, one on each side for the hydros. I'm going to check those and make sure they're good. Take my light. Make sure the oil's to the line. Remove the cap. There's oil in there. It is to the little line on the bottom. There's not much in these at all. That one, same way. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Looks good. Now that's 15W50 oil for that. I bought it, a quart of it, when I went and got my oil for this. They only gave me 2 quarts for the oil change. I went and bought another quart just to have one because we've all seen how smoothly these processes go when I'm trying to do something. And that's about typical. So I was like, hey, I'm just going to buy another quart just so I have it. I got my supplies at the John Deere dealer where I got this. They subbed out the oil filter for a John Deere filter. See if I can get the number on there. 125424 oil filter. To replace the one on here. Now this is the Kohler engine, not the Kawasaki, so I'm sure it's different for the Kawasaki. But basically what I'll have to do, drain it out. The oil filter down here, and actually to drain it quicker since that covers underneath, I'm just gonna go ahead, because what could go wrong, and not remove that because of reasons, obviously. I'm gonna grab a filter wrench and pull that off, and then it's basically the reverse to fill it back up. Just put the cap back on that, wrench it on there probably pretty tight, put the new filter on, fill it up with oil. Not much to show on that. To reset the hour meter, if it'll even show on here, turn this around, turn my key to on, oil, change oil, and when it's flashing, press and hold 1, 2, 3. I'm supposed to hold it for 3 seconds anyway. I guess until it does that. and then next change looks like it'll be at 100 hours. So then turn my key off, and that's good to go. From there, like I said, it's just simple. Pour the oil in through the dipstick, because that's also the fill port, once you get everything put back on. So pretty quick and easy. Sorry for the length on the last one. I'm still learning the video editing thing. I'll try and edit some stuff in. My Amazon links are growing in the description below. Feel free to click those if you want any of the tools to do this stuff if you need them. I'm trying to see if I can get them where they're Prime eligible, so you can get them in 2 days. If you click the link, we do get a cut, so hopefully I can get some better equipment eventually if you buy stuff through that. I know it lasts for a little while after you click it. Once you check out and actually order it, then we supposedly get a cut. I haven't seen any of that. I don't know if anybody's been doing that. It says, according to my info that I get or whatever, people have been clicking it, but I haven't. It doesn't show anybody ordered anything. So out of curiosity, if you did, leave a comment below and let me know. Then I can kind of figure out what's going on with that. If not, more power to you. Cool. But yeah, that's what those are there for. And in either case, thanks for watching.